Hey YouTube, this DNL machine coming at you with another video to help keep you out of the jello pudding. We got a 2007 and a half, 2008, 2009, 2010 Duramax with the late LBZ LMM engine, and it's got the P0087 code. It's going into low pressure or low engine power when you're on it with the trailer. So we are doing the bottle test. The bottle test is a bypass test. So we've got the fuel return at the fuel pressure relief plug or valve. Got that hose taken off, and we've got that clear tubing plugged in there. And here's the bottle. As you can see, we are getting return fuel. And currently, we've got it commanded at 125 megapascals. The max on this vehicle is supposedly 160 or something like that. Our fuel pressure regulator is good. Sorry for this bad reflection. So right now, when I change this, okay, you're going to see these numbers move. It's going to eventually catch up. Right now it's probably in limp mode, and that's why it's being commanded at 125, but only actually the system is only at 40 or whatever idle is. So we're going to back this down, and you can see the now we're at 125 commanded, 120 commanded, 120 recorded. So we're going to change that fuel pressure relief valve and see if that helps. I'm sure it's one of many things, but hopefully this helps you with your diagnosis and an actual demonstration of the bottle test. I'm not going to drive this truck with the bottle under the hood, but you can put this bottle, use a smaller bottle and just jam that down in there, right, and then drive it and measure how much fuel is popped out of there. But I don't need to see any more for this test. All right, stay gold.